Hello everyone, very good evening guys. Am I audible? Hello guys, very good evening. Okay guys, I think I'm audible, right? Very good evening everyone, very good evening. Yes, Radhe Radhe. Yes. Okay guys, first of all let me know. How are you all guys? Please let me know. Good morning. Not good morning, good evening guys. Good evening. Guys, सब लोग कैसे हो बताओ? Let me know. Not audible. Guys, I'm audible. Okay guys, okay. Yes, fine. Okay. What about yesterday class? Yesterday, guys, we have started the front end, right? Intro to React and Tailwind. Means I'm also good, Vipul. Thank you for asking. Yesterday, basically, guys, we have learned that how we can install or how can create a React project using a white bundler. And apart from that, also we have understood how we can integrate or add a Tailwind CSS in our project. Okay, so that was the yesterday class, and today guys basically we are going to start our backend class. Okay, understandable na guys? Today we are going to start what? Backend class. So guys, can anybody let me know guys, in this backend class what are the technologies we are going to use? Anybody tell me, in this backend class what are the technologies we are going to use guys? Anybody guys, anybody, what are the technologies we are going to use? Sir, yesterday at the last minute, Uh, not exhausted. Net got exhausted. Okay. Okay. Some people are saying that Node.js. Okay, Node.js is correct. Python. Guys, see, in this class now, we are not going to learn about Django. First of all, Django is a full stack framework. Using Django, it is not necessary that we can only create only backend, right? Using Django, you can also create front end and also backend and also middleware, right? So in this backend class, we are going to learn about Node Express backend. Okay, the robust backend that will be created by using Node and Express. And apart from that, we will also learn how to perform authentication and authorization using JWT tokens. Got it, guys? Padao yaar. Oh, too much frustration. Nice, man. Yes, guys. Yes. Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. And also guys, in this class attendance is mandatory, so please stay tuned in this class. Okay, during class I will provide you Google form link, please don't forget to fill up. Understandable guys? Any doubt till now guys, let me know. Clear now everyone? Okay guys, first of all, can anybody tell me guys what is backend? Anybody, what does it mean by backend? Anybody guys? Guys, if you want na, also talk in Hindi and also English. I can also both mix up both the languages. सो कोई मुझे बता सकता है क्या ये बैकएंड क्या होता है गाइस? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बैकएंड? Anybody? What does it mean by backend? For business logic. Yes, you can say that for business logic to store the data. It is also a part of the backend. Backend is the server side. Yes, it is absolutely correct. I think backend is all about server side. Yes, absolutely right. Mix up. Okay, okay, okay. See, guys, see. My Excel draw is visible now, right? So here, guys, if I search for what? Flipkart.com. So here, guys, you can see the website of Flipkart.com, right? Visible na, guys? Flipkart.com. So here, suppose, okay, guys, first let me log in, okay, so that I can show you. Okay, some OTP I have to provide, guys. Just give me a second. OTP. Okay, see, guys, I have already logged in, right? Okay, guys. Suppose I want to purchase a mobile phone. Okay, what mobile phone I want to purchase? Suppose I want to purchase iPhone. Okay, here is the iPhone 16, right? So I want to purchase this mobile phone. Now, guys, if I add or if I click on this buy now button, right? If I click on this buy now button, okay, item is not available. Okay, so let me change the product. Okay, that's one. See, suppose I want to buy. Okay, I have to change my what pin code. Uh, I think this pin code is available. Okay, not available, guys. One, guys, just let me check. Yes, it is available, right? Suppose I want to purchase this mobile phone, right, guys? If I click on this buy now button, after that, here some address will be there, right? Some address will be there, and here, if I click on the continue button, it will ask for the payment information. I have to complete the payment process. Then my order will be placed. So here, guys, you can see button interface, right? Or I can say that it is nothing but an UI. So using this UI, I can interact with the Flipkart.com. But suppose I want to purchase this mobile phone. If I want this mobile phone now, so I have to complete payment process. But for payment process, you just have to put your debit card details or credit card details. Or if you want, you can also pay with UPI. But behind the scene, how this payment process will work, you don't know about it, right? Suppose you want to send money to your friend using Paytm or Google Pay. Okay, guys, a video is not paused. A video pause, no? Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Video is not paused, guys. Video is not paused. Video is running, guys. See here. If I scroll now, see my screen is scrolling, guys. Okay, so if you want to send some money to your friend now, so you have to open what your Paytm or your Google Pay, right? After that, you should choose to whom you are going to send the money, right? Okay, people, to whom you are going to send the money. So after choosing your friend, you will put what the amount you want to send. Then you are going to your MPIN. Then you have to click the continue button, so money will be transferred. But behind the scene, you don't know how it will work, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. Right or wrong? So that is called what backend. Now let me know, guys, if you have any confusion or not. Let me know. What does it mean by backend? Backend means it is a very important layer, okay, or it is a very important part in which we never interact. we always interact with the user interface. Means whatever thing you are going to see in your display now, everything is nothing but what? User interface. Behind the scene, how it is worked about it. That is called what? Backend. And backend is my favorite subject, guys. Okay, right? So that is a technical example. Got it, people? That is what? A technical example. Now, if I take a real world example, okay, don't worry. I will take only 2 minutes for the example. So, if I talk about a restaurant, right? So, in a restaurant, if you enter in a restaurant or a cafe, the decoration, the interior, it looks good, right? It feels you good. Now, after that, after entering into the cafe or the restaurant, after entering into the cafe or the restaurant, you will sit in a table, right? Now a waiter will come in front of you and will ask you, sir, what you want to prefer, or you what you want to eat, right? He or she will provide a menu card in front of you. Suppose you want to taste a plate of biryani, right? A mutton biryani with raita. So you will order that thing. Now the waiter will take the order from you and will go to the kitchen area. Now in the kitchen, chef is there. So the waiter will tell the chef, hey chef, a customer is there who wants to try a plate of biryani. So could you please prepare the biryani? Now chef will prepare the biryani. Now as a customer, you don't have to think how the biryani will be prepared. The ingredients will the chef will use. You don't have to think about it, right? How the chef will prepare it, you don't have to think. You have to wait for next 10 to 15 minutes. Your garma garam biryani will be ready. आपका biryani ready हो जाएगा. It will be served in front of you. Just you have to taste it. You have to enjoy it, right? So that kitchen area na, it's nothing but what? Backend. Understandable, guys? The kitchen area is nothing but what? Backend. Now let me know, guys, if you have any confusion or not regarding to the backend. Any confusion, guys, till now? Let me know. Understandable, guys? Guys, today we are going to something, okay? Some little bit code we will write. Okay, guys? Guys, my screen is not stuck, okay? Actually, I am not doing anything in my screen. That's why it is showing like it is been stuck, okay? So here, guys, so a real world example of backend is what? Kitchen, right? Now, guys, can anybody tell me, guys, in the kitchen, what are the things will be present in a kitchen? Means एक किचन के अंदर क्या क्या होता है, guys? Let me know. First of all, guys, एक fridge होता है ना? A fridge will be there in the kitchen. In that fridge, the food, you can preserve the food, right? Easily. So I can say that in a kitchen, the first thing, that is what? The fridge. A fridge will be there. Now, okay, I can store my food or I can store the vegetables in the kitchen, in the fridge, right? Now, apart from the fridge, what are the other things will be there? Other thing means who will cook? Actually, chef will cook now. So chef will be there. So here, guys, I can say that this fridge is nothing but what? Database. Means in database, what we store some data in the database. Similarly, in kitchen, we store vegetables, we store meat, everything inside the fridge. That is what? Database, right? And chef means it is the logic. Means only chef only know that how the food will be prepared. So in backend, some logics will be there. Bro, change live settings to see history. Okay. Okay. So chef means what, guys? Logics. So only chef will know that how to prepare the food. Similarly, guys, in a backend, some logics will be there. By using that logic, some behind the scene operations will be performed. Got it, people? So that is what backend. Any doubt, guys, till now? Any doubt? Let me know. Any doubt, guys? If you have any confusion, guys, please let me know. Any doubt, any confusion till now? Or should I move forward, guys? Got it, guys. Got it, right? Yes, yes, yes. So, guys, now we are going to learn some technical jargons, okay? Some technical jargons means in Node Express backend, na, in a industry, some terminologies are being used. Terminologies means some words, okay? कुछ क्या बोलते हैं उसको एक बुलाने का और एक बोलने का तरीका होता है ना इंडस्ट्री में कि डेटाबेस मिडलवेयर ओके सो दोस थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न राइट नाउ okay people so one thing is clear guys in backend one thing will be present that is what my database no doubt guys right so one thing will be present which is known as what database now second thing guys I have told now I have fridge but if I don't have then who will prepare the food for me right so for that another thing will be there that is called what controllers okay so controllers means these are nothing but objects okay so another name of the controllers guys which is called what can anybody tell me guys if you know about backend then can anybody tell me what is the another name of controller anybody what is the another name of the controller guys the simple name guys simple name it is known as what API so another name of the controller is what API so it is nothing but what some logics okay some business logics okay people what some business logics now apart from the controllers guys we have many more things like models okay so what does it mean by models here guys see models means suppose if you have a backend now you want to store some data into your database so for storing the data into the database some tables you have to create or some structure you have to create means suppose you want to store user information for storing the user information you should mention that in the database a table will be there inside the table some field will be there called like first name last name middle name age mobile number like this field okay so models is used to make that structure to store some data into the database or to retrieve some data from the database means you can say that in an easy word models are used to interact with the database got it guys models are used to interact with what with the database okay question is like what is API guys in a simple manner API is nothing but what a function okay API is what nothing but a function and this function will do some operation will perform some operations like what guys login okay log out purchase these are what operations understandable guys so API are nothing but what function okay function means some business logics using that logic I can perform login logout or purchase anything understandable guys any doubt guys till now database means inside the database we are going to store our data got it guys controllers means what API means some business logics will be there like our chef it is our chef so the chef will know how to prepare the food similarly this using this functionality we can perform what login logout purchase or any other operations got it okay another thing that is what models is like it will act like a bridge between your database and your server Suppose if you want to retrieve some data, on that time you have to use what? Models. You want to store some data, you have to use what? Models. Understandable, guys? Please, sir, please provide attendance link. Okay, okay. Okay, Rakesh, don't worry, don't worry. I know, Rakesh, you are not here to learn something. Okay, so database is there, controllers is there, models are there. Guys, please concentrate on the class, okay? Learn something. Then you don't have to tell, sir, please provide the attendance link. I will provide you the attendance link, guys. Okay. Fourth one is what? Routes. That is a very important thing, guys, in routes. Okay. It allows one software communicate with another software. Yes, I know that. It is a technical terminology. I know that. Okay. Yes, you can say that. API is nothing but what? Application programming interface. It is act like a bridge between two software. Yes. Okay. Route. Okay, guys. So route means what, guys? Destinations. What destinations? Suppose I have my website. What is the website? HTTPS colon forward slash localhost colon 3000. That is my what? Website. Suppose I want to perform what? Login operation. I want to log in into my profile. So here, guys, notice after the slash na, what I have written? I have written what? Login. So here I can say that this login is nothing but what? My destination or route. Similarly, suppose I want to purchase something. So here, if I write purchase, so this purchase is nothing but what? Some destination. Okay. And it is also known as what? Routes. Guys, okay. So on that particular route or on that particular destination, some operations will be performed or something will be displayed. Right? Means suppose here forward slash login is there. So in this forward slash login, two things can be happen. First of all, the first thing is a login form will be there, right? A login form will be displayed. And second thing, if I fill up that form and if I click on the login button, then login operation will be performed, right? So I can say that on that particular route, two things will be happen. First of all, my login form will be displayed, and after fill up that form, I can perform what? Login operation. So in easy word, routes means word. It is nothing but destinations, or technically it is called what? Endpoints. Got it, people? Technically, it is called what? Endpoints. Right? Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I know. Please revise all those things once again after completing this live session. Please revise these things. Okay. These are the very important terminologies. If you go through this once again, so you will not forget these things. Okay. These are the important things. And in every classes, I will repeat everything. Okay. So you don't have to worry about it. Got it? Okay. Okay, people. Okay. सो सिंपल वर्ड गाइस, सिंपल. अगर आसानी से समझ में आया ना, तो क्या बोलूं मैं? डेटाबेस मींस जहां पर हम डेटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. गॉट इट? कंट्रोलर्स मींस व्हाट? जो भी बिजनेस लॉजिक्स होगा, मींस लॉगिन का लॉजिक, लॉग आउट का लॉजिक, कुछ चीज मुझे परचेस करना है तो उसका लॉजिक, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कंट्रोलर बोलेंगे. गॉट इट? सपोज मुझे डेटाबेस में कुछ डेटा को स्टोर करना है और डेटाबेस से कुछ डेटा को मुझे रिट्रीव करना है, तो हम किसका सहायता लेंगे? मॉडल्स का. ओके. राउट मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज अ डेस्टिनेशन, लाइक फॉर स्लैश लॉगिन स्लैश परचेज. So if I go to that slash login, so two things can be happen. First of all, login operation can be performed. Otherwise, my login form will be displayed. Got it, people? Till now, any doubt, please let me know. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I will try to resolve all the doubts and then I will move forward the next topic. Let me know, guys. Guys, also let me know, are you enjoying or not? Guys, are you enjoying the backend class or not? Guys, please let me know. Guys, if you're enjoying now, if you're enjoying this class, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please share with your friends. Okay, during the class I will also share the attendance link, so please fill up the form when I will provide. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now another important thing is there, guys. It is a very important thing. Please try to remember. That is called what? Middleware. Okay. Anybody have any idea, guys? What is middleware? Anybody? If you have any idea about middleware, please let me know. No, sir. In today topic, please give some information or just try to connect the topic of params. Okay, don't worry. In later time, I will discuss about request.params, request.query, and also request.body. Many things are there. Request.file, also request.files. Okay, don't worry. Please try to digest all those things first. Then I will move forward to those topics. Okay, guys. Okay, so middleware, guys. Middleware means suppose it's like a tunnel. Okay, have you seen the tunnel now? From the tunnel, you can pass through, or buses, or any vehicle can pass through. Train can pass through a tunnel. So I can say that middleware एक tunnel की तरह है. Suppose you want to purchase something. आप कुछ खरीदना चाहते हो flipkart.com से, लेकिन खरीदने से पहले आपको लॉग इन होना पड़ेगा. अगर आप लॉग इन नहीं होगे तो फ्लिपकार्ट को पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन परचेस कर रहा है. राइट पीपल. मीन्स if I take a simple example, guys, so I can say that suppose आप अपने कॉलेज से घर वापस लौट रहे हो. ओके, सपोज यू आर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज टू योर होम. उसी टाइम पे आपके मम्मी ने आपको बोला कि बेटा घर लौटने के वक्त क्या करो, दुकान से ना थोड़ा सा शक्कर खरीद के लेके आओ. Okay, while returning to the home, please go to the store first and purchase a packet of sugar and then return back to the home. Okay, means यहाँ पर guys आप क्या करने वाले थे? पहले सबसे पहले आप अपने घर वापस लौट रहे थे, राइट? वो है आपका मेन टास्क. लेकिन घर लौटने से पहले आपने क्या किया? आप दुकान होके आए, राइट? Before returning to the home, you have also visited the store, right? So that is called what? Middleware. Means while performing a certain operation, but before completing the operation, you are going to perform another operation. That is called what? Middleware. If I take a real world example, I can say that login or authentication is a example for a middleware. Got it, people? Means before purchasing, you have to log in. Before performing or before sending any payment to your friend, you should log in into your profile. You should connect your bank account. That is what called middleware. Understandable, guys? What is middleware? So here in this backend, basically middleware means suppose I want to upload some file, suppose I want to perform authentication, so those things will be considered as what? Middleware. Got it? Yes, I am also continuing in English, guys. Don't worry. सर प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताओ, पहले समझ तो लो. First try to understand all those things, guys. If I told you about project, then how you guys can complete those things? Okay, Sarojini, don't worry, I will speak in English. Okay, no issue. Okay, guys, till now any confusion? Till now no confusion, right? Understandable everything? Let me know. Understandable na, guys? Okay, see, so these are the main important things in backend, guys. And every day, whenever we are going to write some code, every day we have to interact with these things. Okay, people. Okay, now one more important thing is there, guys, that is called what? Client server architecture. Okay, in client server architecture now, total means many type of architectures are there, like one tier architecture, two tier architecture, also three tier architecture is there, right? So basically here we are going to learn about what type of architecture we are going to learn. Can anybody tell me, guys? Two tier, three tier, or n tier? Anybody? What tier of architecture we are going to learn here, guys? Two tier, three tier, or n tier? Anybody have any idea, guys? See, guys, here now basically we are going to learn about what? Three tier architecture. Okay, three tier architecture. So in this three tier architecture, how we can define it? Right, that is the most important concept, right? So in this three tier architecture, one concept is there, guys, that is called what? MVC, right? Model view controller. Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. Am I right or wrong? So using this MVC concept, we can create our backend. MVC means, suppose here model will be there, guys. Model. Told now what is model? Models is like it's a structure, and using that structure you can interact with your database. Okay. Here, guys, basically now here we are not going to perform, or we are not going to use any view. View means what? Templates or the front end. So here I can say that simply a controller will be there. Okay, controller. And as a view, we will use what? Postman. Okay, Postman API client. It will act as what? View. Just because we are learning about backend, so we will assume that we don't know front end. So here we are not going to create any front end, guys. Okay, so that's why in case of front end we are going to use what? Postman. Understandable, guys? And here, guys, suppose, okay, that's my what? Controller, and it's my what? Postman. Suppose I want to perform what? Login operation. Okay, I want to perform what? Login operation. So first of all, I have to send a request to my backend that, hey backend, I want to perform what? Login operation. So how it will perform? First of all, from the Postman, I will send some request. What request? I want to perform what? Login operation. So that is what? My request. Got it, people? So here from the front end, I have sent what? A request. What is the request? Like I want to perform what? Login operation. Okay, guys. I know Vijay. I know Vijay. I know many things. Okay. I know you also know many things. But these are the important concept. In a backend, also three tier has been used. Okay. I'm not talking about the software. I'm talking about the backend. Yes, it is also software, but here basically three tier we're going to use, not seven tier. Okay. Suppose I want to perform what? Login operation. So I have sent a request to my controller. So here in this controller will be associated with a route. What will be the route for that? Here the route will be what? Forward slash login. So it will hit in this login route. Okay. So here from this it will go to the login. Now in that particular login, some controller will be there, right? So here in this controller means here login logic will be there. Login what? Logic will be there. Got it, people? So here it will use the login logic, right? Now in this logic, guys, suppose I want to perform login operation. So I have to put my email ID and password. Now by using that data, I should check that whether the data is present inside my database or not. So on that time, whether I have to perform the database operation or not, means I have to interact with the database or not, guys. Let me know, yes or no. I have to interact now. I should interact with the database. Otherwise, I will not be able to verify whether the email ID and password are valid or not. So on that time, from that login logic, it will use what? Model. It will use what? Model. Got it, people? Using that model, I will interact with my database. Suppose here my database is there, okay? Suppose it's my what? DB. So in that database, I will send the data and I will check whether the data is present in the database or not. Right, guys? Now from the database says that, hey model, the whatever email ID and password you have provided now, the email ID is also present and password is also the same. That means now you can perform the login operation. Means the data is already present, it has already been verified. Now you can say that I can perform the login operation. Now model, what will model the do? Model will send a response to the controller. A response to what? Controller. And controller again send back a response to what? Postman. Okay, what response? In this response, a message will be displayed. What message, guys? Message will be what? Login successful, right? This will be my message. So in this manner, Node Express backend works actually. Understandable, guys? In this manner, our Node Express and Mongo backend works. Okay, it is a structure. This structure is followed by the popular industries. Okay, many companies are using this structure. From the front end, you are going to send some request. That request hit some destination like /login. On that /login, some controller will be there, means some logics will be there. You have to hit on that logic, and if any database interactions are required, so it will be transferred to the models. Then models will verify the data to the database. Then again it will send back the response to your front end, means in our postman. That is the flow of our backend. Got it, guys? Got it? Understandable or not? Understandable or not, guys? Let me know. Understandable or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Means, see, guys, from the front end, I want to perform what? Login operation. So I will put my username and password. It will be sent to my backend, means my server. On that server, some logics will be there. Those logics will check whether the data is present inside my database or not. So first it will check, yes, the data is present in the database. Now the data has been verified. So what should I do? Now server will help you to log in and a message will be displayed like login successful. Now you can purchase something. Now you can send your money to your friend. That is the flow of the backend. Got it, guys? Understandable, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt? Guys, if you're enjoying this video now, or if you think that by watching this video you can learn something amazing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Guys, let me know if you have any confusion or not. Please let me know. Any doubt? People, any doubt, guys? Okay, okay. I think you guys have got it, right? Okay, guys, okay. क्या टुडे क्या हम कुछ कोड करेंगे क्या आज, या बस इंट्रोडक्शन ही काफी है? Should I do some coding, or this introduction is enough? Because you should revise all those things, right? Okay, I think some notes will be sufficient for you, right? If I create some notes, it will definitely help you, right? Okay, let me create some notes for you, okay? So let me stop it. Okay, here is my VS Code. Guys, just let me know my VS Code is visible or not. See guys, if we do coding na, I think it will be little bit difficult for you to take all the things at once. Okay. Show in practical, sir. Okay, don't worry guys, I will show you the practical. So today basically I'm going to create a very basic server using Express. Okay, so you will get a very basic idea. And don't worry guys, I will put the code into the GitHub. Also the notes will be there. After watching this video, just go into the description of the video and download the code. Okay, so on that code your notes will be present. Okay people, understand now? Okay, guys. So for working with the backend, Node Express backend, you should install only one thing. Means two things are required. First one is what? Node.js. You should install what? Node.js. Because using JavaScript, we are going to create our backend. So we know that JavaScript is browser-oriented language. Inside the browser, it will be executed. And if I want to execute this code outside the browser, for that, I have to use what? An runtime environment. Right guys, I have to use what? A runtime environment. For that you should install node.js, right? And also a code editor is required, that is known as VS Code. If you are going to use any other editor like Sublime Text, okay, it is also no issue. That is all up to you guys. Okay, so I will assume that you have already installed the node.js, right? So here guys, first of all, okay, let me create a folder first. So 01 underscore day. Okay, I want to go inside the 01 first. Okay, see guys, I have created a folder called what? 01 day. Inside that folder, I have opened my terminal, right? Now we should know that how we can create our backend, right? Some commands will be there. By following those commands, we can create our backend easily. Got it, people? So the command is what? npm init. That is the command, guys. What is the command? npm init. Now guys, here what is the meaning of npm init, right? Npm means what? Node package manager. So npm is nothing but what? A module. Using that module means what? Some codes will be there, some files will be there. Okay, that is called what? Module. Inside that module, some line of code will be there. Those codes are meant to perform some specific operation. Okay, now here what is the meaning of init? Init means initialize. Means I'm going to instruct my npm that hey npm initialize the backend. That is the meaning of what? Npm init. If you perform the operation by using npm init, a file will be created that is called what? Package.json. Got it? So if you hit the enter button, some question it will ask from you. Okay, what are the question? The first question is what will be your package name? Package name means guys here simply what name you are going to use for your backend, right? So here you can see inside the parenthesis 01 underscore day is there. So if I don't provide any other name, it will take 01 underscore day as a default backend name or as a default package name. Okay. If you want to change any name like my backend, okay, if you want to use that my backend, it is absolutely correct. If you don't want to provide any other name, then leave it blank and hit the enter button. Okay, people. Now it will ask you what version you want to provide to your backend. By default, it will provide 1.0.0. So as of now, I don't want to change my version. So hit the enter button. Okay. Now here guys, it will ask like if you want to add some description, you can add it. No issue. But as of now, I don't want to add any description. Now it will ask what will be your entry point. Guys, see, entry point is one of the most important thing. Entry point means it is a file. Basically, it is a .js file, and by is executing that file, your entire backend application will be started. Okay, guys. So if I talk in Hindi, means अगर आप लोग इस index.js फाइल को एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो आपका बैकएंड स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. If I talk in English, means if you execute this index.js file, then your entire backend will be started, guys. Got it? Okay, people. Guys, if you have any confusion, na, don't worry. This video will be present in the YouTube. In later time, you can also rewatch this video. Got it? In this backend, we are going to use what? JavaScript. Okay. Using JavaScript, we are going to create our backend, guys. So here, I don't want to change my entry point file. So I will keep the index.js as my default file. Got it, guys? Hit the enter. I don't have any test command, so I will hit the enter. Git repository. Currently, I don't want to add any git repository. Again, hit the enter button. If you want to provide any keywords, it is all up to you, like node, like express, like MongoDB, Cloudinary. Okay. Author, what is my name? RG. Hit the enter. Again, hit enter and hit enter. See, guys, at the left side inside the 01 day folder, a file has been generated, which is known as what? Package.json. Recently, I have told na, if I perform the initialization process by using npm, after completion, a file will be generated called what? Package.json, guys. Am I right or wrong? Let me know. So here you can see the package.json has been generated. So you can say that it is your blueprint for your entire backend. Okay. Your in this backend, what are the details are there? Everything will be mentioned in this package.json file. Means what is your backend name? See here in this name, my backend name is what? My backend. What is the version of your backend? 1.0.0. That is my version. Main means what is your entry point file? Index.js is my what? Entry point file. Got it? Okay. Here inside the script, you should write some script like how to start your app, how to deploy your app. In deployment, what command should I use? Those things will be present inside the script. Don't worry about script. In later time or in next class, we will definitely write one or two script. Got it, guys? Also, here is the author, license and description, guys. Okay. Now here, one more thing you have to do, guys. Okay. Here, put a comma and type what? Type. Okay. Write type. Here, two things you will get as a value. Common JS and module JS. Guys, choose the second one. What? Module JS. Okay. Choose what? Module JS. So here you can see entire configuration is present. Here my backend is my backend project name. It is my version. It is my entry point file. Means the file from which my entire backend will be started. Here is the backend author name. What? Here is the license name. Description is there. Also, you have to write type manually here. And what will be the value of the type? Module JS. Okay, people. Now you can ask me, sir, what does it mean by module JS? So here, let me create a file called what? Index.js, because by executing this index.js, I'm going to start my backend. So here we have seen that two type of syntaxes are there, right, guys? First one is what? Module. Second one is what? JS, right? Now, what is the difference between module.js and common.js, guys? Nothing difference is there. Only some syntaxes are different. Okay, their working principle is actually similar, but some syntaxes are different. Like if you use common.js, so here I want to use what? Express. For that, I have to use a syntax called require. Okay, inside this require, I have to mention what package I want to use. I want to use express, and here I have to store it inside what? A variable called express. So that is a syntax. This syntax is known as what? Module.js syntax. Got it, people? Suppose I want to perform the same operation but different syntax. What is the different syntax? Like I want to import what? Express. From which package? From the express package. So this is the advanced syntax which is introduced in ES6 features, means in 2015. It is known as what? Common.js. Got it, guys? Till now, any confusion, guys? Any confusion till now? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Any confusion till now? Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Here I'm going to create a very basic backend. After creating the backend, I will provide you the attendance link. Okay. Okay, people. Okay. See, guys. Here, basically, I am going to create a backend, right? But for creating the backend, I should create a server, right? For creating the server, I am going to install a package called what? Express. So here I'm going to use what package? Express.js. The Express.js package will help me to create a basic server. Got it? So how to install a package? It's very easy, guys. By writing a command npm install, then mention the package name. What package I want to install? I want to install what? Express package. Got it, guys? What package I want to install? I want to install what? Express package. So here simply write what? npm install express and hit the enter button. Okay. Now see, it has been installed. Means the package has been installed. But how we can check whether the package has been installed or not? Very simple, guys. Open your package.json file. And here, guys, inside the dependencies, a new dependency has been added, which is known as what? Express. That means the Express.js package has been installed successfully into my backend. Got it? Now using that package, I can easily create my what? Server. Got it, people? See, guys. Now here inside the index.js, first of all, I have to import what package? Express package. From where? From the Express. Because currently I have just installed the Express to create my server. Got it? That's why I have to import the Express. From which package? From the package what the name is what? Express. Got it? Now see, guys, this Express is nothing but what? A function. So how to call a function? Just put a parenthesis after the function name and store it inside a variable. The variable name is called what? App. You can use any other name, but as per the industry standard, you should use app as a name. See, guys, this express is nothing but what? A function. So how to call a function? Just write the function name and put a pair of parentheses after the function name and store the function reference inside a variable called what? App. Got it? Now here one more thing is required, that is called what? Port number. So const port number. So what will be my port number, guys? Here suppose I want to use 4000 as my port number. So port number is required to start your backend, guys. Otherwise your backend will not be started. Got it? The first step is you should import the express package. Then you should invoke the express function. Means invoke means calling the express function. Okay. After calling the express function, you should store it inside a variable called app. Also, you should mention what port number you are going to use here. Now simply take the app and I will choose what method, get method. Okay. Now this get method, first of all, it will take what? It will take basically an endpoint. Okay. Means a route. I have told now a route is very much important means a destination. So on that destination, I want to perform some operation. So here after the destination or after the route, you should write a function. Here see, I have used what? Arrow function, guys, right? Arrow function. Inside the arrow function, I will pass what? Request and response. Okay, don't worry guys, in later time means in the upcoming class I will briefly explain about request and response. For now just see how it will work. And here I just want to send a response, so return response dot send. I want to send a message like welcome to the home page. So it is my what? Message. Got it guys? It is my what? Message. So on that particular destination, if I go to that particular destination, so some message will be displayed. What is the message? Welcome to the home page. I have created my server, but still I have not started my server. So for starting the server, I have to take the app and I should use a method on it called what? Listen. So this listen method will help me to start my server. Got it guys? So how to start the server? Simply for starting the server, I have told na a port number is required. So put the port number here. Then it is not a mandatory. It is optional. Like if you want, you can pass a function, or if you don't want, then don't pass a function. You should pass a function because you should display some message so that you can understand whether your server is working or not. So here you will write server is running. Got it guys? I will print what? Server is running. Now, how to start the server? Simple guys. I have told now, if you want to start the server, you should execute the file called index.js. Okay. Guys, let me show you first. Then I will explain it again. Okay. So here guys, I have a file called index.js. So using node, I want to execute a file called what? Index.js. Okay. So hit the enter button. Now in the terminal, a message has been displayed, right? What is the message? Server is running, guys. Okay. Now let me share my entire screen with you. Oh, thank you, Priya Gaming YT, for contributing the 40 rupees as a super chat. Thank you for that. Okay, guys, just let me know whether my entire screen is visible or not to all of you guys. I think my screen is visible to all of you, right? And here you can see my new tab, right? In that tab guys, simply you have to write what? HTTP colon forward slash double forward slash. Okay, then localhost, and you should remember what port number you have mentioned, right? You should mention it. Okay, so here I'm going to use a port number called what? 4000. Simply I have mentioned it inside my VS Code, right? 4000. And after the 4000, you should remember what endpoint you have defined. Here you can see I have defined what endpoint? Forward slash. So here you should put a forward slash, and if you hit the enter button, see the message. What message has been displayed guys? Welcome to the home page. That means if I hit the forward slash, so in server it will return a message called what? Welcome to the home page. Got it? Similarly, I want to create multiple route. How to create multiple route? Similarly, here I will take another app.get. I will put another endpoint called login. Similarly, put a function, pass request and response here, guys. Here, simply return response dot what send means I want to send a message. What is the message? Please do login. Okay. So here, see guys, in my backend, in my server, I have created two different endpoint. First endpoint is what? Forward slash. Second endpoint is what? Forward slash login. Now I have to stop my server and again I have to start my server. Okay. Now if I go to my browser and if I again search for forward slash login, now see the output. The output is what? Please do login. That means it is very much easy to create a server using Express and it is actually working. Right, people? Understandable, guys? Let me know. Understandable or not? Are you people understanding or not, guys? Please let me know. If I have any confusion, please let me know, guys. Guys, any confusion till now? See, guys, I have not write a too much line of code. It's a very small line of code, right, for creating a backend. But see, guys, today here basically I'm going to demonstrate how to create a server. But in our actual class, okay, means from the next classes, we are not going to create our server in this manner. Okay, we are going to use a professional structure. Okay, people, some folder and file structure we are going to use for that. Okay. See guys, see. Once again, I will recap everything. Don't worry. See guys, first of all, you are going to create what? An Express server. For that, you should install Express package by writing the command npm install Express. After that, you should import the Express package from Express, right? You should invoke it and store it inside a variable called app. And for starting your server, you should mention what? A port number. So here, what is my port number? Port number is what? 4000, right? Now, by following this syntax, you can create what? Different endpoints and different controllers. Okay. So here, this function is nothing but what? Your API or your controller. And this API or this controller will work on that particular route. Similarly, for that particular login route, this API will work. Got it? So by following this syntax means first by following app.get, inside that we have to put a route, right? Okay, guys. And after that, you should mention a function. Inside the function, you should provide some functionality. By following that, you can create a route and a function. Okay, means an API. Then you should start your server by writing app.listen. Means from the Express, you can get a method called listen. By using that listen method, you can start your server, guys. Got it, people? Any doubt? How to run two server at same time, guys? It's a very good question. You can use a package called concurrency. Okay, let me show you. If I search for npm, here it is the home page for npm packages. Okay, search for concurrency. Okay, search it. Okay, concurrency. Which one should I use? See guys, the first one, concurrency. Okay, so using this concurrency package now, guys, you can execute your multiple backend at once. Means suppose one single backend directory is there. Inside that backend directory, as a small app, multiple backends are present. So using this concurrency, you can execute your multiple backend by writing a single command. Okay. How to create? Sorry, how to connect with backend with the front end. Okay, first listen guys, first learn about backend. Okay, don't worry. After completion of this backend class, we will deploy this app, we will deploy a simple app. Okay, then we will definitely connect it with the front end. Okay, don't worry about it guys. Okay guys, now please let me know any confusion till now. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Guys, any confusion is there till now? Okay guys, I will provide you the attendance link, don't worry. Okay guys, okay, don't worry guys, I will share the attendance link. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so where is my attendance link guys? Just give me a second everyone. Okay guys, okay, so here is the link guys. Please navigate through the link, okay, and submit your attendance response. Guys, here we are going to learn about what MongoDB. Using MongoDB, we are going to create our backend. Okay, guys, navigate through the link and submit your response, guys, quickly. How much time duration for this class, guys? If you are going to tell that, so please don't continue this class more than 1 hour, then it will take like 10 days. Actually, it will take actually 10 days. Offer letter I have told na guys, due to some heavy participation. Okay, it is also very much hectic for us to handle all those things, right? That's why it will take some time to deliver. Don't worry, it will be delivered. Okay guys, also if you're enjoying this video now guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sir, where to submit our task, guys? Don't worry, first work on the task now, then I will tell where you should submit it. Okay guys, if you're enjoying this classes now, please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. API syntax, Arpit, for right now please don't go for API syntax. Okay, there is a no perfect syntax for the API. Okay, so here when we are going to design a controller, on that time you will learn how to design it, what will be the syntax. Okay sir, for what the concurrency is used and any example. Suppose guys, I have a folder called backend, right? So in that backend folder, suppose I have created four different backend projects. Four different backend projects means Kishore, like suppose I have created one to-do app, one e-commerce app, one chat app. So three different backends will be there. Now for executing those three backends, I want to use only one command. Okay, by executing that only one command, I can execute both the three backends. So on that time, we have to use what? Concurrency. Okay. Sir, notes section in GitHub account, will you provide? Yes, Anusha, I will provide. Don't after completing this class, I will create a GitHub repo. I will put all the code file on that repo, and I will attach the link into your video description. Okay, sir, class over or more. Actually, the technical part is covered. Okay, now here I'm present right now. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will answer them. Okay, sir, when you will teach to connect the database, like here we will use MongoDB. Shubham, in the next class, you're going to learn how to connect the MongoDB database. Okay, from mongodb.com, we are going to create a free cluster. 512 MB of free cluster we will create. Okay, then we are going to connect that cluster with our server. Okay, sir, can you send any PDF to recall? Means, Puneet, like what is middleware, what is models? Okay, if you are asking for those things, so don't worry. Here I will create a TXT file. Inside the TXT file, I will write down all those things. Okay, and you should download it and go through it. Sir, what was the project? I'm not able to attend yesterday class. Don't worry, Patel. Attend the next classes. Okay, like you're attending the backend class now. Similarly, you should attend all the classes so that you should learn something. You should know about the project. Okay, just because we have just started the backend now, so right now I'm not going to assign you any task, because simply what task I will provide you, like it is a simple backend, right? So I can only tell that just create two or three more backend like that, so that you will be familiar with it. Okay, sir, what is the process of get a job? To learn something amazing, to create some project, add those in your resume, and just continuously apply. Puneet, I have already told about the internship yesterday. Like it will be continued from 1st August to 31st August. Okay, and also it will take some time to deliver the offer letter, because heavy participations are there. Okay, for that now it will take some time to generate the offer letters. Okay, and also guys, uh, I will share a link. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, I will share a link, and on from that link, if you put your email ID now, after few days, you can directly download your certificate. Okay, so here is one of our portal, guys. Okay, just please copy this link. Okay, and currently, if you put your email ID and it doesn't show anything, that means your offer letter has not been generated. So just wait for next 2 to 3 days, maximum 4 days. Then please try to log in again. Your offer letter will be visible there. Okay, and you can easily download it from there. Okay, what is offer letter? Offer letter is nothing. It's a sheet of paper. It's a very shitty thing. Okay, don't, no issue, Shovagya. Please rewatch the video from the beginning. You will get to know whatever the topics we have covered here. Sir, how to attend both React and backend? See, guys, I am not going to take two classes parallelly or concurrently. Okay. Suppose if today backend class is conducted, that means today no front end class or no other class will be conducted. Again, tomorrow another class will be conducted. So that if a person has been enrolled for multiple classes, so it will be helpful for that person. So in a day, only one class will be conducted. Sir, project how to upload? Don't worry, I will share the details with you in later time. Okay. Sir, can I learn backend without no JS? Actually, you should know something about JS. Okay, I know that it will show like invalid account or invalid email ID, because your offer letter has not been generated. Once your offer letter will be generated, you can log in and you can download your offer letter. Okay. Guys, if you're enjoying this class now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and also please share with your friends. Yes, I know, Gitanjali, it will show like invalid intern or email not found or an invalid email, because your offer letter has not been generated. If you have applied for the internship now, so your offer letter has not been generated, that's why it is showing that message. So just wait for next 2 to 3 days or maximum 4 days, then you should again re-log in, then your offer letter will be displayed. And after completion your internship, again from that portal you can easily download your certificate and LOR. Got it? Understandable, guys? So please repeat how to download the offer letter. Shovik, I'm sharing a link, okay? If you navigate through the link, so it will ask your email ID. If you put your email ID, then a dashboard will be opened. On that dashboard, you can download your offer letter. But for now, if you're not able to perform login, that means your offer letter has not been generated. So just wait for next 2 to 3 days, then again retry, then you can download your offer letter, okay? No, here no internship is there regarding DevOps and cloud. Guys, if you're enjoying this video now, please don't like and subscribe, guys. See, guys, your offer letter will not be delivered in your email, okay? This portal link will be delivered in your email, and also some instruction will be there, like you should put your email ID, okay? You should put your email. Okay, is it says your certificate is ready, click below to download. No offer letter found, no certificate found, no LOR found. Then how to download it? See, Shushmita, if your account has been created, means your offer letter is in a process of creation, right? Your offer letter is in a process of creation. So just wait for next 2 to 3 days, then again re-log in. So you will be able to download your offer letter. If you are going to perform the login operation, then no issue. If it is not showing, means it is under processing, okay? Just wait for next 2 to 3 days, maximum 4 days, then you will be able to download your offer letter, guys. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you will be able to download it. And guys, please also fill up the form, okay? Also fill up the form, so that you should never miss the attendance. Okay, Srivani, I'm sharing the link. Just go through the link and apply for that. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, guys. See, guys, here is the link. So by navigating this link, if you want to apply for an internship, you can apply it easily. See, RP, it's a type of architecture, okay? MVC, like model view controller, okay? Here everything will be separate, like database logic will be separate, business logic will be separate, your front end will be separate, right? So that is what MVC. Yes, class is over, but if you want to stay here, you want to talk something, you can do. Guys, don't worry, Kishore, don't worry. Please attend all those classes. I will definitely make sure that whatever things I will teach you now, it will be sufficient to create a very good project for you. Okay. Yes, you can apply for the August internship. I have already provided the link. Here again, I will provide you the link, guys. By navigating through the link, you can apply for it. Ankit, I have already sent the link. Now you should fill up that link. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And don't worry, I will also push the code and I will also create a txt file. Inside that file, I will write everything, so you can easily download that file and read all those things easily. Okay, people. No, it is a totally unpaid. Yes, Junaid, I know that it will say like invalid user. That means your offer letter has not been generated or your account has not been created. That's why it is showing like invalid user. Don't worry, wait for next 3 to 4 days. It will definitely, you can perform the login operation. Okay, guys, any other query, please let me know. Yes, sir, definitely. Yes, if you want to apply for both, then you can easily apply. No issue, guys, no issue. It is totally all up to you. You can complete both the things, then you can apply. How many months? For only 1 month. It will be for only 1 month. Guys, if you have not fill up the attendance, please go and fill up your attendance, guys. Sir, project where to upload. Okay, don't worry. In later time, I will also explain where you should upload your project. Don't worry, Junaid. You don't have to think about it. I will share all the information in the group where you should submit your. Okay. Don't worry, Vidisha. Just give us some moment, na. Multiple requests are there, na. So we have to create multiple offer letter for that. So it will take some time. Don't worry. It will be displayed soon. The questions like basic questions will be there regarding front end and back end. Like if you are going to interview for a month stack, right? So JavaScript will be your very important thing for you, right? It depends what you should use, React or Angular. It depends on the use case. Don't worry, Srivani. We will send you a link. Don't worry. We will mail you. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Everybody will receive email. Okay. Don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry. Just focus on the classes. Please do attend all the classes. Okay. Which site is the best for applying jobs? From which site you will get the job, that site will be applicable for you. Yes, you should carry your laptop. Sometime it will be helpful for you if you demonstrate your project in a live mode. Like if it is already deployed, then no issue, you don't have to carry your laptop. Okay, but your project is not been deployed, so you should carry your laptop for that. Sir, do you have a Discord channel? Yes, I do have a Discord channel. Just give me a second, I will share the link. Okay. Yes, Anuj, I know that you are unable to log in into the portal because your account has not been created yet. Okay, don't worry. Within 3 to 4 days, you can easily log in. See, guys, it is our Discord. Okay, if you want, you can join. Guys, here it is our Discord channel. If you want to join, you can easily join, guys. Okay, sir, GitHub link. Okay, Roshni, don't worry. Okay, after completion of this class, I will push all those code into the GitHub. Then I will copy the GitHub link and I will put it into the video's description. Okay. Okay, don't worry, guys. If you're unable to join to the WhatsApp group, don't worry. Here you can see in the pinned message, a Discord link is there, no? So you should join into the Discord link. Okay, guys. Okay. That's all about today's class. Okay, guys. So again, next class will be declared soon. Okay, don't worry. Please revise all those things. Okay, people. And again, thank you for joining into this class. Very good night to all of you guys. Very good night. And please do learning. Okay. Keep learning, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining into this class. And very good night. I'm Rahul Ghosh, currently signing off, guys. Thank you, everyone.